Hello students, welcome to Vyas Certification Kota. It is time to continue further with NCERT class 11th, and yes, we were seeing the chapter permutations and combinations, the lovely chapter, and it is time to move on to exercise number 7.3 over here. This exercise, mind you, is based on permutations. That is permutation of different objects, alike objects, and all of those things will come over here in this exercise number 7.3. And yes, let's not waste any further time to move on to the first question of this exercise, which says, how many 3-digit numbers can be formed by using the digits 1 to 9 if no digit is repeated? Now, this question is similar to the fundamental theorem of principal questions which we solved in exercise number 1, right? We can use similar ideas or we can use ideas of permutations. Now, personally, I would always prefer in such questions, you can always use fundamental theorem wherever required, right? Let's try to use fundamental theorem and see where does that take us. How many 3-digit numbers can be formed by using the digits 1 to 9, no digit is repeated. So, you have a 3-digit number which is supposed to be formed and no repetition, okay, digits 1 to 9, there are 9 possible cases, right? So, this can be filled in 9 ways, this can be filled in 8 ways, this can be filled in 7 ways, that's what you'll have, right? So, the total number of ways would be actually this times this, which is once again 8 plus 1, 8 minus 1 is actually 8 square minus 1, okay, and you have a 8, so that would become 8 cube minus 8, 5 and 2 minus 8 is 504 is the answer for this question. This is using fundamental theorem. If you're asked, let us say how many 3-digit numbers can be formed by using the digits 1 to 9 if no digit is repeated is, so you have total 9 digits and you have to choose, basically you have to actually, don't use C yet since you haven't studied C in this exercise. Once you study C, that is combination, you should always prefer using C. But for now, let's see what we can do with that P. So how many 3-digit numbers? We have to permute 3 out of these 9. Permute 3 out of these 9. This is 9p3. And 9p3 is equal to 9 factorial over 9 minus 3 factorial, which is 9 factorial over 6 factorial. This is 9, 8, 7, 6 factorial over 6 factorial. This goes. And we get that exact same thing, which is equal to 504. That's the alternate approach, which you may be interested in knowing since this is exercise based on permutation. So, how do we use permutations? This is how we use permutations over here. Out of 9 available, you have to fill in 3 boxes, right? Out of 9 available digits, you have to only fill 3 boxes over here, right? With those 9 available digits. So, you permute 3 out of those 9 over here, right? That's what you get. That's the complete solution of this first question.